The Filipino particle puwede. The Hiligaynon word puwede or puwede is used similarly to its English counterpart, indicating possibility, permission, or ability. Here are its definitions and example sentences. The first use is that it indicates that something is possible or can happen. Number 2 is permission. It is used to ask for or give permission. And the third one is that it indicates the capability or ability to do something. The first one here is possibility. It indicates that something is possible or can happen. Pwede ba tayong maglaro sa labas? Is it possible for us to play outside? Laro means to play and then labas is outside. So, pwede ba tayong maglaro sa labas? Pwede kang sumama sa akin bukas. You can possibly join me tomorrow. To sama means to join. And then bukas is tomorrow. Pwede kang sumama sa akin bukas. Pwede bang matulog na? Could it be possible to sleep already? Matulog means to sleep and then na is already. Pwede bang matulog na? Pwede bang wala ng klase bukas? Is it possible there will be no class tomorrow? Pwede bang wala ng klase bukas? So klase is a class, bukas is tomorrow, wala is no or none. So pwede bang wala ng klase bukas? Pwede kayang magluto ng adobo ngayon? Is it possible to cook adobo today? So luto, that means to cook, and then adobo, that's a dish, and then ngayon is now. Pwede kayang magluto ng adobo ngayon? The second use of the Filipino word puwede is that it is used to ask for or give permission. Pwede ba akong humiram ng lapis mo? May I borrow your pencil? To hiram means to borrow, and then a lapis is a pencil. Pwede ba akong humiram ng lapis mo? Pwede bang lumabas sandali? Is it okay if I step out or go out for a moment? To make labas means to go out, and then sandali is for a moment or for a second. Pwede bang lumabas sandali? The next one is, pwede ko bang gamitin ang telepono mo? May I use your phone? Gamit means to use, and then a telepono is a telephone, but here it means a cellular phone. Pwede ko bang gamitin ang telepono mo? Pwede bang kumain dito? Is it allowed to eat here? Kain, that means to eat, and dito is here. Pwede bang kumain dito? Pwede ba kaming maglaro sa bakuran mo? May we play in your yard? So kami is we or us. Maglaro is play. Laro, that's the root word. And then a bakuran is a backyard or the yard. So pwede ba kaming maglaro sa bakuran mo? Next use of the Filipino word puwede is that it indicates the capability or ability to do something. Pwede akong magluto ng masarap na sinigang. I can cook delicious sinigang. Luto means cook. Masarap means delicious. And sinigang is a dish. Pwede akong magluto ng masarap na sinigang. Pwede siyang magbasa ng libro sa Filipino. So basa means to read, and then a libro is a book. Or it can also be aklat aside from libro, and then Filipino is the language. So pwede siyang magbasa ng libro sa Filipino. Pwede silang sumayaw ng tinikling. So they can dance. Tinikling, sayaw means dance. That's the root word. And then tinikling is the name of the dance. Pwede silang sumayaw ng tinikling. Pwede kang sumulat ng liham sa Filipino. So you can write a letter in Filipino. Sulat means to write. That's the root word, sulat. And then a liham is a letter, and then Filipino is the language. Pwede kang sumulat ng liham sa Filipino. Pwede naming tapusin ang proyekto ngayon. We can finish the project today. Tapos means to finish, and then a proyekto is a project, and then ngayon is now or today. Pwede naming tapusin ang proyekto ngayon. And that is all about the Filipino particle puwede. Maraming salamat for watching this video, and see you in the next one.